The solutions to the practice problems for two-step equations. Holding my equal sign, what I do to the left, I must do to the right. I'm first going to get all my pieces together. 2x is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. Using my second inverse property, x is equal to 1. Checking my answer, 2 times 1 plus 3 is equal to 5. Second problem, again, what I do to the left, I must do to the right to balance my equation. First inverse, as I'm going to add 4, so I get all my pieces together before I divide them into groups of 3. Dividing them into groups of 3, x is equivalent to 3. 3 times 3 minus 4 is equal to 5. In other words, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Third problem, adding 3 to both sides. You always want to get all your pieces together before you divide them up, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. Checking my answer, 5 times 1 minus 3 is 5 minus 3, which is 2. Fourth equation, subtracting 1 from each side to get my pieces all on the same side before I divide them up. Here I have 1/3 of an x equals 4. The inverse is to multiply by 3, and what I do to the left-hand side I must do to the right. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 4 times 3 is 12. Checking my answer, 12 over 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5. Adding 2 to each side, again to get all my pieces on the same side. 4 plus 2 is 6. Using my inverse property, I'm going to multiply by 3 halves on each side of my equality sign. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. X is equal to 18 over 2, multiplying fractions straight across. Reducing that fraction, 18 divided by 2 is 9. Checking my answer, 2/3 times 9 minus 2. 18 divided by 3, because 9 times 2 is 18. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4, and it checks. And the last problem, to get rid of the subtract 3, I'm going to add 3 to both sides. 1/4 x is equal to 5. To eliminate the 1/4, I multiply by its opposite, or its inverse. 1 divided by 1 is 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1, so a single x is equal to 20. Checking my answer, 1/4 times 20 minus 3. 4 goes into 25 times. Multiplying straight across, 24 is 5. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2.